In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Xero invoice. This simple yet effective customization can significantly enhance the professionalism of your invoices, making your business stand out in the eyes of your clients. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to refresh your company's branding on your invoices, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into how you can accomplish this in just about 5 minutes. First things first, head over to the Xero website. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on this button, it's your first step toward invoice customization heaven. You will then be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you enter these details correctly to avoid any login hitches. After entering your credentials, hit the login button to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate your way to the pertinent section where the magic happens. You'll want to go to your organization. This is usually accessible directly from the dashboard or through a quick link. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, but if you ever feel lost, remember that every step of this process is about getting you closer to that goal of branding your invoices beautifully. Upon locating your organization, look for the Settings option. This is where Xero consolidates all configurations related to your accounting setup, including those for invoices. Finding the settings should be straightforward. It's typically symbolized by a gear icon or can be found in a drop-down menu, depending on how your dashboard is configured. Once you're in Settings, direct your attention to Invoice Settings. This area is dedicated to everything invoicing, from formats to templates, and crucially for us today, adding that all-important logo. You might need to scroll a bit or look through a few options, but it's there. With Invoice Settings open, you're getting closer to the finish line. Look around for an Options button. It might be nestled within several other options, but it's your gateway to further customizing how your invoices look and feel. Clicking on Options will unveil a variety of choices, but there's one in particular we're interested in today: Change Logo. The moment has finally arrived to change or upload the logo. Clicking on Change Logo will prompt you to browse and select the logo file from your device. This step is critical. Make sure the logo you choose represents your brand appropriately. It should ideally be clear, with a transparent background, and formatted correctly to look professional in the header of your invoices. Once you have selected the appropriate logo file from your device, it's time to upload it to Xero. Look for an Upload button. It should be plainly visible once you've selected your file. Clicking Upload will start the process of integrating the logo into your invoice template. Depending on your internet speed, this should happen relatively quickly. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding a logo to your Xero invoices. This simple action can have a lasting impact on how your clients perceive your business. It adds a layer of professionalism and brand recognition that standard invoices just can't compete with. Remember, the appearance of your invoices can say a lot about your business without uttering a single word. Therefore, choosing a logo that speaks well for your brand is paramount. To wrap up, today we've walked through the process of logging into Xero, navigating to your organization settings, and updating your invoice settings to include a custom logo. These steps, although seemingly mundane, play a crucial role in crafting a business image that stands out. With your logo now proudly displayed on your invoices, you're not just sending out a request for payment, you're enhancing your brand's visibility and recognition. As we come to the end of this tutorial, we hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Customizing your invoices is just one of the many ways you can use Xero to streamline your business's accounting functions and present a polished, professional face to the world. Thank you for joining me in today's guide on how to add a logo to your Xero invoice. Here's to creating invoices that not only look great, but also foreground your business's unique identity. Happy invoicing!